out of the traffic.
Williams feeds, Teletovic catching fire. Smooth stroke, Mirza Teletovic.
Well, when he gets that one step and he
down, Pierce didn't expect it. He does track it down, shot clock down to 1. Teletovic, a 3.
Boy, when he gets the rhythm, good success and ease getting the points down low.
Jump shot, Teletovic. It's an MT3.
It's about as nice a looking jump shot as you're going to really watch.
Festivities here in Philly. If you've got a picture and a good story, tweet it at Nets on Yes.
Teletovic again from long range.
Mirza Teletovic.
Those buckets to go.
Teletovic. Three-pointer number 5 for Mirza Teletovic. Sixers in front. Turner blocked by Teletovic. Nets have numbers if they want.
It's pretty much all night long in terms of watching their shot selection.
Anderson on a dish. Teletovic. Book it. Mirza Teletovic. It's a new career high. His 6th three-pointer of the night.